Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make perfect blueberry pancakes. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to make the perfect blueberry pancake every time so you can enjoy this classic breakfast. Start by whisking all of your dry ingredients together in a mixing bowl. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, or you can use wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk this together. Then we'll whisk in our wet ingredients, starting with 1.5 cups of either milk or buttermilk. Buttermilk will give you a bit of a fluffier pancake. 2 large eggs and 1/4 cup of melted butter. And whisk this in until your batter is smooth. Last, we're gonna fold in about 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of blueberries, and you can use either fresh blueberries or frozen. If you're going to use frozen blueberries, I recommend thawing them, draining them, and patting them dry to remove as much of that extra moisture as possible. Then I'm going to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup as my scoop and scoop up some of the batter, and then scoop it onto a non-stick griddle. And you want that to be heated over medium-high heat. You'll know they're ready to flip when they start to bubble and puff up and look dry around the edges. Then just give them each a flip. Then cook the other side until it is golden brown as well. I like to serve mine up hot with a pat of butter and some blueberry syrup. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description, as well as links to my other perfect pancake recipes. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.